everybody, and welcome to What's Beth Doing? Well, tonight I'm going to make some hickory cornbread to go with dinner. So come along with me and let's see how it's done. But first, don't forget to like, tag, and subscribe because we love our viewers. Okay, so our ingredients for our cornbread is 1.5 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cup of cornmeal, not corn mix, 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of hickory syrup, 2 eggs slightly beaten, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and then we're going to use an additional 1/4 cup of the syrup on top, and some chopped walnuts. Those are our ingredients to go into our cornbread, and I will have them listed in the description. Okay, our hickory cornbread is fresh out of the oven. Doesn't that look good? So we're going to put it out on a cooling rack, and I'll cut some up and slather some butter on it, and we'll have a taste. So there it is, your hickory syrup cornbread, sweet, gooey, and delicious. It's going to go great with dinner. Check the recipe out at www.suttonmillcreek.com under sides. Thanks for watching. Well, folks, thanks for joining me today at What's Beth Doing? We had a great time, and don't forget to check out our sponsor, Sutton Mill Creek Syrup Company. They make a line of hickory syrups, sweet and smoky, go great on your breakfast foods, pancakes, waffles, sausage, or make a good meat and salmon glaze. There's recipes on the website, so go to www.suttonmillcreek.com and check them out. And don't forget to subscribe.